bike riders, two-wheeler drivers, the more than crores of people use their two-wheelers in our Indian scenario for their regular activities during their life. The two-wheelers probably will have a very sensitive shock absorbers and tires, which helps you to drive the vehicle. When in below poverty country like India, the roads are not good enough, the roads are not well maintained, there is a possibility of up and downs, jumps, bumps in the vehicle will be transmitted to a spine of the person who is driving the car, two-wheeler, where there is a 40 to 50% weight of your body bears on the lumbar vertebra, that's the back, where that back we will be vulnerable for certain trivial injuries or sometimes major injuries due to accidents. When there is a trivial injury, that time the soft tissue around the spine will lead to a spasm, that is called lumbago. There is a possibility of damage to the disc, leads to the disc prolapse. There is a possibility of damage to the osteoporotic bone, leads to spondylosis. There is a possibility of injury to the joints in the spine, leads to spondylitis, whether it's the back of the neck or the back of your lumbar spine. Hence, we must see where there is a bike rider gets the pain in the spine should be treated after doing X-ray, CT or MRI. According to the diagnosis, we should treat the disease. There is a bike accident leads to multiple injuries like fractures, injuries to the joints, injuries to the ligaments, injuries to the cartilage, injuries to the spine, even the head injury, sometimes abdominal injury and chest injury. So various injuries will be maintained or will be attended according to the diagnosis. So the bike riders needs to be trained themselves in a better driving, safer driving to protect their body. When there is a continuous driving on a back for a longer hours, there is a possibility of a back pain or the neck pain, which continuously chronically leads to certain chronic disorders like disc prolapse, spondylosis and spondylitis. When there is a head injuries, if he doesn't wear the helmet, will lead to a major head injury. There is a possibility of death soon after if it is a major head injury. So you needs to wear the helmet to protect your head injury. Apart from that, you need to wear a well jacket with a gloves, protective gloves, to avoid major injuries on the chest, abdomen and limbs. And when you drive the two-wheeler, you should see that the vehicle condition is so good that even the driving time, it should not happen the accident because of the physical instability or physical disability of the vehicle. So the road should be good, the vehicle should be good, and the vehicle driving pattern should be good, so that protect yourself from various health injuries. So this is the way we need to take care the bike riders or the drivers, two-wheeler drivers, to protect themselves to avoid health hazards during the driving of the vehicle. Thank you.